how to post a longer video on WhatsApp status. This tutorial shows you how to upload videos longer than 1 minute by splitting them into two separate clips. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap on the Status tab at the top of the screen. From there, tap the pencil or camera icon to add a new status. At this point, select the video you want to upload from your gallery. In the next step, you'll notice WhatsApp automatically trims the video to 1 minute. Use the trim handles to select the first 60 seconds of your video. Following this, tap the send button to post the first clip to your status. Once done, immediately go back and tap the add status icon again to upload the second part. From here, select the same video from your gallery again. At this stage, drag the trim handles to start from where the first clip ended and select the next 60 seconds. After this, tap send again to post the second clip. Once both clips are uploaded, anyone viewing your status will see them play back to back, giving the appearance of one continuous longer video. And that's it. If this WhatsApp tip helped you share longer videos on your status, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.